What's going on, everybody? Today we're at Tropicana, gonna do a room tour of the Club Deluxe King Room in room 1668. Let's check it out. All right, so coming into the room, coming in on this side, you have the closet. So you've got your ironing board, hangers, and then your extra pillows, more hangers, and your luggage rack down there if you need to store your luggage. And then to the left of the entry, you have your bathroom. So you got a mirror here with the sink and a vanity mirror. Here is your shower. So this is a Hilton-owned property. So if you're familiar with a lot of the Hilton rooms, this may look a little familiar, or this layout might. There's your shower, there's the toilet. And then we go into the main part of the room. We have the king size bed. On this side, you've got a lamp, and you've got iHome, iClock, so you hook up your iPod, or I believe you can connect an aux and listen to some music. You've got a flat screen TV here. And then down here, I thought it would be a mini fridge, but this is actually a safe. So if you need to store some things up, you've got a safe for extra privacy. And then these are just drawers down here. You've got your ice bucket and cups. And then as a signature stamp of the Hilton, they always give you a fresh baked cookie. Can't beat them at all. I got a little table here, a glass table, a couple chairs for you to kick back in, and then you've got a chair over here as well. And see if we can figure out how to open these blinds. Oh yeah, just flip them open. And this is the view that you'll get. So you pretty much get a view of the city. See the mountains back there, but you get a city view. And you've got a lamp here in the middle. It's in the way, but so yeah, that's pretty much gonna be your view for this room. And that's gonna do it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.